Hey guys, so you just got your system in the mail. Comes in a box like this. We open it up and the magic starts here, right? Okay, the most exciting day, the most nerve-wracking day as well is I get it in the mail the very first time, because in the beginning I didn't really know what I was doing. So all the questions that I had were like crazy, but one of the biggest ones was I ordered one that was a certain color. You know, I looked at the chart, I've made the best choice that I could, but you're still never really sure. And so it comes, and when it came out of the box, I went, I don't remember ordering a black one. What in the world? Well, so I look at it and it looks so dark. So I thought, okay, so I took the lace, it has this lace business on it. If I can get this off, and you have like handy dandy little super hair pieces here. So I take that off. Okay, so it looked a little less dark when I got that off, but still I was nervous about it. So I'm taking it and I'm going, okay, let's look at this. So I started spreading the hair out on it, and I got in the mirror and held it up to my own hair, and I thought, okay, maybe that's gonna work. So I took the system off, and when I did, and I just kind of plopped it on top of my bald head at that time and kind of combed it around, I thought, okay, so that's something to know. When you get these things and you look at it straight on, you're gonna go the same thing I did. But I promise you this, take it out, spread it out a little bit. It's super deceiving when you first get it, and it's all slicked down like this. But you can see when you've got that spread out, it's really a different ball game, and the color worked perfect. So there was no problem there for me. The gray percentage of this is 40%, and that is also something that I can be flexible about, because I've got this gray beard, but I still have my natural hair under here at the top edges is still pretty dark. So if I match my beard, then I've got white hair, dark hair, white hair. So I'm not really into the zebra hole looking thing. So I ordered it a little bit darker so that it will blend around the sides. So the gray percentage, but I have done, like I said, this is 40, I have done 60, and I've also done 80. Now, back whenever I did my haircut real disconnected on the sides, I really liked that 80% gray because it was very cool looking. Disconnected anyway, which means, you know, it doesn't blend on the sides. And I combed it all back and wore a red velvet jacket and pretended like I was Santa through the month of December. That was kind of fun. So there are lots of different options. It just depends on how creative you want to be. If you're a person that's super conservative, you want to match the color as close as you can. If you're a little bit nuts like me, then there are lots of more options. You know, you can do lots of other different creative things. So with that being understood, let's just say have fun, because there's lots of ways to look at this.